Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tiffany and today I am cleaning up after dinner and just trying to get the downstairs all cleaned up while my husband ran my oldest daughter Briley to her gymnastics lesson. I hope it gives you all great cleaning motivation.
But now I'm different, yeah, I'm okay. You had your reasons, you did your best, but the one you needed was someone else. I sat there waiting for you to change. Then I realized you're not the one for me. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you.
You'll see throughout the video at different points that I have Daxton is getting close to his bedtime, so he just sometimes needs a little extra love at night before he goes to bed as he gets a little cranky.
The one that you thought you needed, I faced my fears and you're not the one. I still remember those things you did. Yeah, they still linger, still hurt a bit. Might hurt forever, yeah, that's what they say. But I know I'll never will face that day. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one. You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the closure to recover. What I do now, I wish I knew back then. But I was younger, didn't know love when you broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the one.
She's putting all of our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever.
So all the kids that stayed home were taking their showers and getting ready for bed, and Bristol was the first one finished. So she came and saw I was cleaning, so she asked if she could do something to help. So she ended up cleaning the living room and the game room, and actually my son Declan, he was the next one ready, and so he helped her finish up, and so I didn't even have to clean those. They did such a great job getting those areas clean.
Feel better, then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of love. Been yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself, 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond.
We had lasagna for dinner, so I was just cleaning that up, saving it, as my husband absolutely loves leftover lasagna. And I don't know, there's just something about when there's stuff all over my counters, I get a little overwhelmed. I like everything like clean and put away. So I always love at the end of the night when everything's finally finished. It just is a calming feeling right before bed. I love it.
That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Yeah, that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself, 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how
I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, oh you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young.
Alright you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new here, we'd love it if you'd go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you back here again in a couple days with a new video.
We do it on repeat.